Hey everyone, I'm Dan with the HomeCraft team. Welcome to my newest listing in Northville. This condo is absolutely amazing. Features over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's been tastefully updated, beautiful finished basement. You're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Hey folks, thank you so much for viewing this video. We hope you love the tour. If you have any questions about this condo or any other homes on the market, feel free to reach out to any of our agents at 734-329-0123. Thanks and make it a great day.